Yes, my people, another wonderful day, They are this morning going out to do some line fishing. This morning, I want to go a little bit deeper this morning. I want to go, you know, try out the 800, 1,200 feet of water this morning. This morning, I'm me alone. You only have one wheel with me, just one wheel alone. Fresh bait and everything. I try to see if I can catch some of the wrench man, them, the cardinal snapper them. Yeah, man. The sea look like we now got the whole day water flat. You can see it start roll already after 9, So that'll get choppy. Not early, but me have a try a thing. Yes, my people. We're going out there, So enjoy this one. No must be a long video, but me will try to catch a few cardinal. All of me catch the last catch, me a fishy catch. I actually sell the whole of those already. And when we did catch before we eat them. But them run out, so me go and pack some food. Yes, man. So come with us, enjoy the video. And I said all the time, share it with your families and friends. If you haven't already, please may I ask if you consider and subscribing to the channel, alright? Yes, man. Come with us. Rocco, the water stay. Yeah, man, I'm going to try to catch two orange man them down the line, so. Yeah, that, I'm going to try though. Yeah. Alright. So my people, me reach the spot now. I set up my thing the right way. As me say, I'm place a wrench man here. Cardinal snappers. So them me will catch after. Water. Current not strong at all, it look like to me. But me not check it yet still, I say. See how it run first. Alright, time to put on some bait now and then make the first run. First drop. Ah. First drop, my peeps. See what go on for the wrench man them. Right on the drop off. Right now I go on bad 9 morning. So I'm fishing till the breeze come up. Anytime the breeze come up, I'm gone. When the breeze come, my people, I'm heading in, heading back to shore. Just go and catch until the breeze come up. Man. Trying the wrench mans today. Some deeper waters. Like the condition though. No wind at all. You know. For now. So less hassle. You can see this now catch no breeze. Me. Plastic now catch no breeze. Just the current and the little swell them a move me along. First drop come up. I have one nice one funny. Or two. Yeah man. Two pretty boy me have two cardinal. As me say them I come for you, so. See them? Cardinal snappers. Yeah, man. Then near me I come catch a this spot. For them spot this, you know. Yes, my people. So I make the third drop. I take up one empty drop a while ago. Feel one pan this when it a come up. Actually come like me can't see him. Yeah man, him dead there, you know. I one me I find them, but them they on good size at that spot there. Good size wrenchman them, you know. Cardinal snapper. Them beautiful one there at this spot. Nice pound size. You know? When you catch these one of them make sense, you know? We not come look you know too. Water start get choppy. Anyway, no bad yet. We are going fishing, you know. Going. Sure, like bait them good, cause me say one them a bite. So some I bait them no touch. That good. Look good when me there. Run off back here so same place, eh? Let me say the breeze are come up. We not get bad, me people. Come up one more time, you know. So let me come up there now. See if that one there still. Like him there. Nice one. Whoa. Catch this on both ways. Nice one. See them? Beautiful wrenchman, you know? Nice boy them. And that spotter. Go and fight to win a little bit, you know, people. I catch in size one here, so better me go and fight it till it get real bad, you know. So I drive up back my people. Breeze start blow me away. You there? And she say swell them go on, you know. Alright. One down. We start blow heavy and heavy now. Yeah. Back off of that. Whole heap of water. That's so supposed to a little bit shallower. Let me drive up here now. Maybe can find some wrench man here so. Some goaler here so. Not drag too much man, I say. Water do that, you know, man. Take up one next time, my people. I take it up, I feel one funny, so hopefully it stay on. Soon reach up here now. Like in there, I see big white. Big old white, you know? Yeah, man. Big old white. Said, the one me I take them up, you know. So me I find them, so me I keep them. Nice wrench man, this, you know. They're not enough, but then they're on good size. On a solar hook. That me like with them, you know, they're more big. So they're hard to get away. Anytime you feel one of them I touch the line, you say no say you get catch. Or you feel the bong say no say you get catch. And solar then solar bait. But the one thing with them now, they're not as aggressive like the goalie them. The yellow eye aggressive bad. So once them then just a tear line. But them then they on the line you ain't even know see you catch them. And they not fight you. Good job for the pliers here for that one here. Nice boy. Run back. One next one I come up with. Hope him stay on. Can't see the big white. Can't see it all now. Alright, him there they look like, you know. The wrench man this a goal like this. Goal like this. Nice goal like this. This is a nice goal, you know. Need back the bait. Bait pan. Bait up the rest of them, okay. Everything where they are this a spot they pan good size, you know. Coming up on next time. Hopefully may have something almost reach, you know. Feel fish panny when it a come up still. So a big white, you know. Empty line. Come off a line. Come off, my people. And they come off. One drop at this spot, last drop, and then I go to the line. I go try one more spot, then go in. It's at 12 here now. Fear win out here for me too. Be a fight the boat if you fight to stand up, you know. Take up back the line and man. You gotta feel a whole heap of them here, so I don't feel them again. But me move from the spot where I gotta catch a wrench man them. I go up the line you know. See get breezy. Whole heap of chop on the water. I go up the line. You know go on bad for you say me I catch me dinner still, you know. Find a couple pretty one in here. Couple pretty one, you know. Not bad at all. Take up back the line and head up. I make one more stop and then you know straight in. I'm not bad stop here, I'm going to go straight in. Rough as rock. Straight in, huh? The next day I'm going to try back. Yes, my people, so I'm there back along, you know, to get things together, and you know we go show the catch in one more little details. I give it two of them a while ago, so that only leave me with, and my eyes big same, so only leave me with 4, 6 me catch, and then 6 or 6 big. 6 big fish, you know. Yeah, me about 6. Me only leave with 4. 4 good size one there, my people. Yeah man, so I get them clean up and then I know where I go. So once more I said, my people, enjoy the video, share it with your families and friends. Anything to say, leave it in the comment section. Yeah man, and remember, subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah. See you people in the next video.